Hi everyone! Welcome to Artsonia's After School Art Club. Today we have a fun art project from Mrs. King, an art teacher from Colorado. Hope you enjoy the video and don't forget to have your artwork uploaded to your Artsonia gallery.
Hi, my name is Mrs. King and I am an elementary art teacher in Colorado. In my classroom, my students and I love open-ended art activities that focus more on the process and less on the final product. So as you are following along today, I hope you have fun experimenting with art materials, discovering new techniques, and creating art that makes your heart happy. Thanks for watching. To create our foam marker prints, you first need a piece of foam. You can use a recycled meat tray or an egg carton for your foam. You will also need water, a paper towel, a piece of paper, markers, and a pencil. If needed, you can now pause the video to gather your materials and set up your workspace. To start our foam marker prints, you are going to use your pencil to draw a picture in your foam. Keep your drawing simple and fun. Make sure you are pressing not too hard, but not too soft. Check once in a while by rubbing your fingers across your drawing and making sure you can feel the indentations. Now it's time to add color. Using markers, you are going to color right on your foam. Make sure after you color, you don't touch the marker with your fingers because it will rub off. Marker prints turn out best when you use lots of different colors and you color all of the white space. Time to print. Fold your paper towel and dip it in your water bowl. Then take your wet paper towel and gently rub it on top of your piece of paper. We want our paper to just feel wet when we touch it. We don't want puddles, we don't want drips, but we also don't want it to be too dry or the marker's not going to transfer. So just touch it with your hand, make sure it feels wet. Then you're going to take your foam, turn it upside down, line it up with your paper, and carefully press down. Using your fingers, press down on all surfaces of the foam. Time for the big reveal. Take your foam off. And check out your foam marker print.